What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's video I'm gonna quickly show you how to fix this annoying issue of having the agree button in here grayed out when you're trying to actually accept the terms and conditions after installing macOS Sierra or High Sierra. This is a very common bug in here that happens, and I hope Apple themselves sort it out as soon as possible. The solution for this is pretty simple. You just need to follow the tutorial till the end, and I'll be actually showing it to you how to do it on a different operating system, but do not worry because the steps are exactly the same. All you need to do is just follow the steps that I'll be showing to you. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So here we are. First things first, while setting up your brand new MacBook or after installing an operating system, we're going to select our region first. We're going to tap on continue. Next up, we've got in here the customization of the spoken language. We're going to keep going with continue. Accessibility, you can customize this as well. I'll tap on not now. Next up, we've got in here an option to connect to a Wi-Fi connection, right? This is a very important step so you can actually access Apple servers, so you can reactivate your MacBook. In my case, let me quickly connect to my Wi-Fi network right here. Let me type in the password. Once you're done typing in your password, tap on continue. It's going to quickly connect to the internet connection. Once this is done, we've got in here the data and privacy option. We're going to tap here on continue. Next up, we can migrate from an old machine or not. I'll tap here on not now as of now. Next up, it's going to ask you to sign in with your Apple ID, right? Let me quickly try signing in with my Apple ID. Here we go. It's now processing. And now it might ask you to confirm a verification code on any other device running your Apple ID account. In my case, I've got in here my verification code. Let me quickly type it in. So after you're done with the login process, it's going to ask you to actually agree with the terms and conditions, okay? So in your case, you might be seeing a different layout because this is a different operating system, a different software version. But do not worry. What you need to do if you're facing the issue of not having the agree option here, like it's grayed out, what you need to do is to cancel and then tap on back, okay? So you need to go back to the login page in here. So once you're here on this main login page, what you're going to be doing is you'll have to tap here on setup later, okay? So in my case, it's located right here, but if you have an older operating system, it might be located here at the top. As you can see from this screenshot in here, which is showing here in the desktop, the setup later option is located right here. So you just need to tap here on setup later. So once we tap on setup later, we'll then need to follow the remaining steps, which is basically just create a new user, which is the name of your user and the password to log in into your laptop, okay? Next up, we've got a few configurations such as analytics and preferences that you follow up. And then once you're done with all this, you'll be brought here to this main desktop screen here on your laptop. Now, once we're here, please pay attention because we still have our Apple ID pending. We haven't set it up yet. So we're going to tap here on the top left corner. We've got the Apple logo and then tap on system preferences, okay? So once we're here, we're going to tap here on sign in to your Apple ID. Okay, this is so important because we need to log in into our Apple ID and we haven't done it before. So tap on sign in and then you'll be able to type in your Apple ID in here. Let me quickly type it in, and then it's going to ask you for your password and then simply tap on enter. And then you'll be good to go. You can now set up Find My Mac if you want to, and your Apple ID is now logged in here into your MacBook. As you guys can see, here is my Apple ID, my Apple account. Everything is set up. So this is basically a bug. I hope that Apple themselves fix it as soon as possible, okay? It's an annoying bug that actually doesn't allow you to set it up over there, but then you can simply skip the step and set it up later here on your MacBook device. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. So if you have any doubt or any question, please do leave a comment down below in the comment section below, and I'll make sure I reply to you as soon as possible. If you find my content useful here on YouTube, consider subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment down below, as it helps me to reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.